Absolutely. We
No.
have cereals. This is from on Facebook, Tammy Grover. Do you ever have days where you just say, heck with it and have a bowl of cereal or maybe a PB&J sandwich? Absolutely. We have
No.
cereal sometimes.
It's in the morning. She means like instead of cooking
A
meal. No, I don't, because I have to feed him and my mother and my sister, and we have to make 7 meals a week for the show. So, no, I really don't. But we do eat cereal occasionally, but it's rarely. And when we do, it's
Grape nuts.
grape nuts, which
like
neither
grape
have
nuts.
grapes or nuts in it. But we do have blueberries. But yeah, I mean, once in a while we get takeout from Ridge Terrace. They do a drive-away pickup thing.
Yeah.
Or harvest, but it's rare to be honest, because we have to cook so much for other reasons.
But I don't think we've ever made a PB&J sandwich together as long as I've known you.
We've certainly had peanut butter on toast. We've certainly enjoyed English muffins with lemon marmalade or different jams and jellies. So yes, you have had PB&J, just not necessarily in the most traditional sense.
Right, all in separate
But I don't
categories.
deprive you of PB
There's
or
nothing
J.
wrong with a PB&J.
No, not at all. I miss it.
I just rather have your pasta. Thank you very much. This is from Instagram from Mike _
Is there
Christina.
food you enjoy eating but not cooking? Probably just sashimi. We don't do a lot of
Yeah, sushi.
sashimi. I do lots of Japanese food, but sushi, sashimi, we don't do a lot of here at home.
No, because we don't want to have just like hunks of raw fish.
Well, first of all,
all
we
over
are
the
in the
place.
Adirondack Mountains and have been for several months. It's not exactly a seaport region, so
No, we don't.
yeah.
Yeah, we don't have the big fishing boat pulling up behind our house. This is from Facebook from Susan Baylor. Rachel, are you going to be writing any new cookbooks in the future?
I'm writing a book right now, and it's about this year. It's similar to Rachael Ray 50. It's a collection of 15 to 20 essays about what we've been through. And, of course, it'll include recipes as well. So, yes. Thank you, Susan.
This is from Facebook from Pam Younger and dozens of other people, apparently. Maybe a big question. What is Bella Boo's favorite toy?
Easy. Ice.
She loves ice.
She loves to chase ice cubes.